The range of motion on the Artromot K3 will run from -5 degrees of extension to 110 degrees of flexion. To adjust the flexion limit to your prescribed or desired limits, start by hitting the menu button. On the left side of the display, you will see the picture of a straight leg. This is the symbol for the extension setting. Press the blue button below the extension setting and change using the appropriate arrow. On the right side of the display, you will see the picture of a bent leg. This is the symbol for the flexion setting. To adjust the flexion limit to your prescribed or desired limits, press the blue button below the flexion setting and change using the appropriate arrow. To the right of the extension symbol on the display is a picture of a snail. The snail picture represents the speed at which the machine will run. To adjust the speed, press the blue button beneath the speed setting and change using the appropriate arrow. The machine should be set at a comfortable speed for the patient, keeping in mind that the more passive repetitions that the patient is able to go through, the better. The stop and start buttons are clearly marked on the hand control and perform their stated functions. The Medcom Group would like to thank you for watching this informative video. If you would like more information in regards to the benefits of CPM therapy, further training, or you're in the need of CPM equipment, soft goods, or service, please give us a call or visit our website. If your patients have further questions, please feel free to direct them to the Learn section of our website, where they'll find helpful articles and videos about CPM therapy. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd love to help you with your CPM needs.